Hi guys, welcome to the web development workshop. So before starting the workshop, let's a brief introduction. What is web development? What kind of websites, and how we can create the website using different web technologies. So let's start with the introduction. What is web development? So web development means creating websites using different web technologies, and in simply we can say that developing the website is called web development. Okay. So next is what is web. The first question that should be in your mind, what is web is a huge collection of web pages interact with each other, and these web pages are built by using hypertext markup language. That is commonly known as HTML. So and next is how can we access the websites. Okay, when we input the URL of the website in in the web browser. Suppose if you want to uh, uh, visit this website, then you need to URL. This is the URL of the website. When you input the URL of the website, this is the Google Chrome web browser. When I insert the URL website, then I can access this websites. So this way you can access the websites. Okay, this is the this way we can access the websites. Okay, next is what is web browser. Web browser is is work as an interpreter. When we input the URL, then it will interact with the server and perform an activity, and it convert the HTML document into the form of HTML document into a web page. Okay, so next is what are different kinds of websites. There are mainly two kinds of websites: the static and the dynamic websites. The static website, the website which is not related with the databases, which only provide the information. It doesn't have any backend. It is not interact with the user. Okay, when we it only have a it only have a front end. So the front end can only view by the user, but backend cannot be used by the users. Okay, so the website like any spa or a small business like website is called static website. There is no backend, and it does not take any information from the user. So this kind of website, the spa or any small like business like the santavanta.com, like this, does not take any input from the user. So this website is called static website. Next is what is dynamic website. The website which take information from the user. It contains both front and the back end. Okay, it takes information from the, suppose if you want to purchase something from the Flipkart or Amazon, then you need to input your information in a form. Then that particular information is stored in the server's database, and then and through that information the product will be shipping in your address. So in this way the whole concept will work in a dynamic website. So dynamic website both contain front and the back end, and the back end can only view by the organization, and the front end can be viewed um, by the users. Okay, so next is uh, what is the front end in suppose this is the Amazon websites. Suppose this is the Amazon website. Okay, so whatever you product details, whatever the product details here, this is the product detail. It I can view this web page, that is the front end. I can view this web page, that is the front end, but I cannot see the back end, because back end is only viewed by the organization. When I purchase something from that, suppose I add it to the cart and I purchase something, then I need to confirm. When I proceed to check out, then I need to inform all the information. Then I can view the website, then I can uh, purchase something from that. So the information whatever I input in that, then the information will be stored in the database server, and that database is the backend of the website. Hope it is clear to you. So that there are different web technology. There is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. So first is HTML. HTML is work as a suppose this is the Tycom websites, and there are so many different sections in the website. There are so many different sections. HTML, this sections can be created by using HTML. Okay, so layout of this website, the sections is divided by using HTML, and